Welcome back to our next exercise. My name is Patrick and today we are going to speak about mantras. Mantras are short sentences or statements that we will train ourselves to remember, to have them available, and so they will come up in our mind when we are under pressure and when we need them. Today's exercise connects to the first two exercises. Quick recap: in exercise number 1, we had identified 3 topics that are worth to focus on the most from everything we think about in our sport and our performance. In exercise number 2, we had looked at another 3 topics which our inner trainer actually urges us to address, and we have then also now come out with a list of 3 things and how to address those. And today we will focus on identifying at least 3 topics that we already do well. And in the end, you will have a worksheet again. You will come up with a set of mantras, and you already have completed this part of the exercise, which you can then start to learn by heart. And I recommend as a daily routine to practice those in the morning, read them, memorize them, and after a couple of days you will have them ready in your mind whenever you need them. So we have 3 mantras that come from exercise 1. In my case it were, I focus on my motivation, I focus on my warm-up, I focus on my technique. From the exercise number 2, I had used the example of football striker and finishing, and here I came out with sample commitment. That means I will work on my aim, the right amount of power, and one-on-one situations with the goalkeeper. That is sort of the first of 3 statements I would have in here. So then we add up these to have 6. And then the heart of today's exercise is about this part here. And the prompt here is a very simple one. What do you already do well? And feel free to also ask your teammates, your trainer, and come up with at least 3. I recommend 3 to 5, which is a good number to remember, and then also give those a headline. So for example, here I have passing, handling pressure. So whenever I come into a situation where I have to handle pressure, I usually do those situations well. So I put this down here, and then also like a topic like speed could be one of those areas. In the end, on your worksheet you will then have a full list of at least 9 items, which you can then, going forward, practice on a daily basis. And that means just in the morning, as you start your day, read those through, and very quickly you will have memorized them, and they will become automated and thoughts that you have then also easily available as you head into your game or a high performance situation. I hope this helps, and looking forward to see you again on the next session.